So the purpose of this video is just to show you how you can very quickly produce individual athlete reports for, in this example, the results that they obtain in a fitness testing battery. So here I've got my hypothetical data for 26 different athletes, and these are the different tests that they undertook. So once we have this data, we want to go into Word and produce our template, and this is the template that the athletes will receive all of their scores onto. So just your brands, I work for Middlesex University, maybe your contact details so that the athletes can get back to you with any queries around the data, and then the different titles of the variables that they're going to get their results for as well. So what we're going to use here is mail merge. So if I go down, and this is how you would find it in a Mac, slightly different within a PC. So through tools, into mail merge, going to create new, and we're going to create a type which is referred to as form letters. We're going to find our list which contains our data. So we're going to open what is our existing data source. So that's the Excel file that had all of our fitness testing results held within. And what that does, it brings up a little box that says where in the Excel document is the data, because it could be on different tabs. Because it's only on the first tab, we can put the entire worksheet, which is totally fine. So we put there. And what it does, it finds the title of each of the column, and as you can see here, the columns here all match up with those that are along the top here from our fitness testing data. So all we do very nicely is we drag each one across. The name, that's the date of the test, the athlete's weight, height, put their counter movement jump in there, we got their speed, their change of direction speed, and then of course we had their strength in there. Okay, and that's it, it's all finished. We push merge to new document, and just like that it produces the results for every single athlete. So there's athlete A's results, we carry on down, we have athlete B's, and then C's, and so on and so forth. However many athletes were in that file is how many it's going to generate. So if you're testing 200 athletes across a couple of days, it's a fantastic way to quickly generate, and of course we could use the email function within mail merge. So because it's going to generate so many, it is well worth getting the template looking spot on. So you might want to have a better branding for your template, but also consider additional bits of information you could put on there that would naturally go on to everyone's different reports. And it doesn't have to be on one page, it could be on 2 or 3 pages if you like. Some other generic messages that it could include could be about how they can interpret the data, how they could then go away and improve the scores. You could include pictures on there, or indeed links to websites with exercises, for example. One other point I'm going to mention, which relates more to if you do this on a PC, is that often on the PC it produces the results, and where it's only got 2 decimal places here, it sometimes produces it to 15, 16 decimal places by default, and it looks a bit unsightly, and to be honest, and you really want to get rid of that. So this website here describes how best to get rid of it. But essentially, when the documents are loaded up with all of the field names in, just press Alt and F9 simultaneously, and then this this will appear, this code, and then just follow the steps that are identified below to reduce it back to 2 decimal places. So hopefully this will be something that will save a lot of time. And be an opportunity to provide every single athlete that you test with all the data that they could need.